much water in Kuwait now.
What?
Look, there's so much water, Savanna, right? Oh my god, cars is splashing. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
These are
Savanna,
lower
look at
than my
that.
boots.
Good thing I'm wearing a hoodie.
Yeah. It's been...
I'm wearing-
No! Oh my god!
What?
Look at the road there. It's filled with water. Oh my god.
God, jeez.
Oh my god, the car. It's stuck in the road. Everybody's in the water. People crossing it. There's so much water here.
Savanna, before you go to sleep, let's pray to Papa Jesus.
Yeah. Oh my
my
god.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look there.
Oh my gosh.
Savanna.
Oh. Oh my god, there's
Oh
so
my
much
god, look at
traffic.
that splash.
Yeah, there's so much traffic in Kuwait. There's so much water there. Oh my lord. Oh my god. There was like a fountain here.
Really?
Yeah, remember like it was spring up, but I didn't
my
record
god,
it.
thunder.
Thunder. Oh my god, me too. I saw thunder.
Ouch.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I just zipped my zipper on my neck.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, look at that.
Dala, stop! Funny, anak, please.
Oh!
That scared me.
Guys,
Yeah, there's police.
Right there, guys.
Red lights. They can't see properly.
The blue and red one.
Yeah, everyone knows that. Splash.
Savanna, now take a video. Oh, yeah.
There's a building. You can go.
Savanna, we're getting near to the polices.
Yeah,
I'm sure the polices.
we're still in our area. We're heading somewhere.
Oh, there's no way out.
What? There's no way out? Oh my god, my mom's...
Starbucks is closed.
No, it's not. The trolley is. The gas station's not flooded at least. There's shelter there. Not really. Oh my god, there's so much freaking water.
People like coming here for a shortcut.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it is.
There's less water here. And so much rain coming. But the heavy rain is stopped.
Papa Jesus, please, and save also everyone who doesn't have covers. And Jesus' name, amen.
Here's some water on the ground. That was not much, but that leaves. Oh my god!
But we're not actually in the sea.
I should stop saying that. Oh my god, there's so much water here too.
I feel bad for all of the street cats.
Yeah, with kitties.
Yeah, poor. You know there's even baby kittens?
Yeah,
I hope their mom's hugging them to be safe.
yeah, I don't know if cats do that,
tayo eh.
but I don't know if they do.
I think we're lost.
No, we're in.
Oh my goodness.
I feel like we're on Titanic. This is where the water and they clean most of the water, and they're trying to drain that water from the house in the basement there. There's some water there if you can't see it. And there's so much mud on the road. And there's lots of water here. And the sand used to cover it there. So when it covers there, when the sand covers there, it doesn't have any bumps, but there's rocks now, and it's deep. When I went in it, and the guy was right, because he said don't go in it because it's deep. So I tried to go in it, then it was kind of deep. It's almost to the top of my boots. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope the flood comes out, and take care everybody. I love you guys. Bye.